first time, I have all my things literally packed in a backpack. I don't know how that is gonna go, but I guess we're about to find out. I have never have to travel with just a backpack because honestly, I don't know how to travel light. Well, that aside, this is my outfit for the day. I'm just wearing a linen pants and then my Ralph polo shirt, and that is literally it.
Vehicles. And on behalf of your captain and your entire flight crew, thank you for traveling with Claire Airlines. Once again, welcome to Kelowna and have a wonderful day.
Draco here, he's a Colombian red-tailed boa.
Like Draco Malfoy?
We also have a Bellatrix, and then we have a Dobby.
Oh!
Yeah. Dobby we cannot handle, he's too young, and then I would have brought out Bellatrix later today, but she's shedding.
Aww.
We can't handle them when they're shedding because they get a little different.
Hello.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, thank you. Character. Are you sure?
I think it is.
Let's go. they need to know that we stopped to get gas. And I don't know where this is, but we still have like a drive to Clearwater, so we are just stopping by Subway to get sandwich or something. I'm not sure yet, and then fill up the gas and yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You can always try.
Okay.
And then you'll keep heading up if you are interested. Whitehorse Bluff and up at Green Mountain.
Guys, so I think we've got about maybe 10 more minutes of walk to do.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh my goodness. Let's grab and
Vancouver, like a place like Vancouver. I don't want a place that's relatively big.
But it,
Good portions, pickleberries.
Holy shit.
and understand ways that the organization provides.
Hello. They have mango.
Okay, so I'm gonna start kind of mirroring. Hello.
How are
I
you?
love this thing. It's so handy. It's so cute.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for a postcard.
Oh, okay.
Right over here.
Thank you.
No problem. Let you know if you do need stamps, we do sell it at the front. So yeah.
Okay. You're gonna go.